Hey realtors, are you tired of fighting the IRS? Would you like to learn how to get the tax collectors off your back without paying your taxes, even if you can't afford to make any monthly payments at all? Hi, I'm Corey Hankerson with Legacy Tax, and I help real estate agents, house flippers, mortgage brokers, landlords, investors, and title companies fight complicated IRS problems like wage levies, liens, garnishments, and asset seizures. For example, Greg is a realtor in Maryland. He owed a bunch of money to the IRS and hadn't filed in years. He couldn't sleep at night and was totally stressed out that they were going to garnish his commissions and levy his bank account. You see, Greg was trying to solve his problems the old way. He was forced into a payment plan that he couldn't afford, and he struggled to pay last year's taxes on top of this year's taxes while also keeping his business afloat. He paid as much as he could, but each year the hole got deeper and deeper and deeper. And that's because the interest and penalties continue to pile up on top of the actual tax debt. Eventually, Greg defaulted and is back to square one, except the balance he owed was actually more than it was before he started. So what does he do? He calls and sets up another unaffordable payment plan, which he eventually defaults. Round and round we go with no end in sight. Sooner or later comes the tax liens, wage garnishments, and maybe even the asset seizures. The new way gets the tax collectors off your back without agreeing to unaffordable payments. We immediately pulled him out of the collection cycle and put a stop to the phone calls and the letters. We presented his situation to the IRS so that they understood his unique circumstances and then negotiated a permanent solution based on his plan, not theirs. Now he can move on with his life without being stuck in a permanent cycle of debt and fear. I've helped thousands of people solve complicated tax problems, and I created this no-cost cheat sheet to show you exactly how it's done. Inside, I'll show you how to get them to release a wage garnishment or a bank levy, how to set up the payment plan you want, not the one they want, and how to potentially settle your tax obligation for less than you actually owe. Click the button to download the cheat sheet. If you want to get the IRS off your back without agreeing to unaffordable payments, or even if you can't afford to make any payments at all, you need this powerful information. There's no cost and there's absolutely no obligation. Download now.